Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately nowadays we do not really have to do a lot. All we have to do in order to virus scan your device is to first of all enter the settings, and in this left section let's scroll down to find the battery and device care option. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on device protection, which is currently off, so let's tap, and first of all we have to turn it on. Of course, tap on turn on again, and as you can see we've got this first information that we've got no threats found in the device, which is good information, of course. However, I highly recommend to tap on scan tablet. So thanks to this, your device will basically scan itself. It will scan all of the apps, all of the processes which are currently ongoing, and it will scan it in order to find any kind of malware, viruses, or even problems. So for example, your device can show you the problem with the system if it is not updated, so that kind of things will also be detected. However, and you've got also two scenarios, as I said. Whenever your device will detect anything, it will show you that there is a problem somewhere and what kind of actions you can take to get rid of it. Or the second scenario, which was shown right here, that everything looks good and no threats has been found. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.